flow meter. Now you've got a mouthpiece. The mouthpiece is in backwards. Bring that around. Yeah, you got the.
My husband backed this up for me. I didn't even know that was separate.
Now let's flip that over. Now notice you've got a scale that goes from 50 all the way up to 700. Push the blue indicator to 50. I want you to do this. You'll take the deepest breath you can. Fill up your chest, and put that in your mouth and blast it out as hard and as fast as you can. And then you read where it goes. Where it goes.
About 360.
Yeah, about 360. Now this time reset it, but not all the way to.
Do we mark it with the green one first?
No, I'll tell you about that later. Now we're going to go back about halfway now to see if there's any momentum effect. Try it again. Blast as hard and as fast as you can. Okay, now we'll see where we went.
Almost 400.
Oh, a little better. Back it up.
200? Do I go halfway again?
I'll just try to halfway see if there's any momentum effect.